In this video, we're going to have a look at how to disable autocorrect for only one or a couple of words on the iPhone. Let's dive right into it. First of all, open up the Settings app. Then tap on General. Then select Keyboard. And tap on Text Replacement here on top. Now tap on the plus symbol here in the upper right corner of the screen. And the secret now to get this done is that we have to enter the exact same thing both for phrase and shortcut here. And this will make sure that whenever we type in that word, it's not going to be altered in any way. So for example, for the phrase we could enter the word hey, but let's say I would always like to have this with 3 E's instead of just one. So I would simply write hey with 3 E's, like this, and for shortcut I would do the same. Once finished, tap on Save in the upper right corner of the screen. Now generally, what would happen if you would write a message with hey containing 3 E's, the autocorrection feature would actually jump in and would ask you to correct it. However, as we have now defined this rule, whenever you're going to write hey with 3 E's, autocorrect is just not going to do anything and it is not going to ask you to replace the word with something else. And this is how you disable autocorrect for one single word. Now, if you want to have this for a couple of words, for example, you can obviously always repeat that process. Simply tap on the plus symbol in the upper right corner of the screen. And let's say that you have noticed that LOL always gets corrected to LOL with capitalized letters. To make sure that this is not going to happen again, then all you would have to do is to write LOL here for the phrase. And for the shortcut, you would do the same. Then tap on Save in the upper right corner. And now you can rest assured whenever you write LOL, the autocorrect function is not going to jump in and change this automatically to LOL in capital letters. And this is how you disable autocorrect for only one or a couple of words on the iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.